few months ago during the pandemic, we launched the Chiasm, and I got your feedback and I decided to relaunch. What did we do? We added everything, almost everything that you asked for. We went ahead and made this a one universal referral platform. What is a universal referral platform? Every time you have to send a patient to any doctor, you have to call their office, go on the internet, and find their referral form. And they're all different. So we went ahead and we have every single doctor in the state of Florida on the Chiasm.
I have something for, I'm a one-stop shop. I have your insurance stuff. I have the Success Collection, which is a good bread and butter plastic line. Tots is a flexi shatterproof with straps for kids, anywhere from 43, or actually from 39 up to 51i.
In terms of in-office products, we think there's a lot of good options out there. You know, LipiFlow, iLux, those sorts of things. They supply the right amount of heat for the right amount of time. But we think at-home treatments are currently living in the past. So with that, we'll go to the next slide and introduce Tear Restore. So it's a reusable heat pack that heats up to the same temperature every single time. So we specially formulated it to heat up to 47 degrees Celsius and then maintain above 40 degrees for that 10-minute mark. The second thing is unique convenience. So it's an open eye design, so your patient can build it into their daily routine. So they can, make a cup of coffee in the morning, read a book in the evening while they're treating their eyes.
We buy frames that are very wearable. We use soft edges that fit faces in fun colors in good quality that sell through quickly. On the screen right now is probably our hottest stuff, and those are made from, I have them right here, it's made from a material called Ultima. I'm not sure if everyone's aware of Ultima. We think it's the future of frames. It's a thermoplastic material. Can you see me bending that temple? Ultima is non-corrosive, it's hypoallergenic, it's memory retentive. You can heat Ultima. It also will stand up to cold weather. It won't crack. It's resistant to extreme temperatures, quite frankly. And we have a slew of stuff made from Ultima.
Could you imagine co-managing with another eye doctor? How about losing your patient? Well, Dr. Glenda, changed the way I thought. Glenda went ahead and said to me, listen, if you have a -8 or 9, send them over. And I had a mother begging me. Well, I sent the patient over to her. We went ahead and co-managed the patient together. My patient is seeing amazing. The mother is super happy. And guess what? Because she's another OD, she understands that the importance of both of us working as a team for this patient's care.
What OK Love's mission is to take everything that I have learned through my practice of myopia management and all the mistakes that I have learned from, and basically develop a plan that is going to work for each individual practitioner based on their practice and based on their individual needs. So we try to make it a very easy step-by-step program, and we sit down with you, look at everything in your practice. We analyze your prices. We help you develop a fee schedule. I guide you through which lenses would be better for you and which program might be the best suited for your practice depending on your individual needs.
They are a company that allows us to resell prescription medication drops in your practice. The main one that they use is Atropine. They provide a 5, a 10, and a 15 ml, depending on the sizes, and they're actually very, very economical. They can deliver it directly to the patient or to your practice. The customer service is great. The setup is easy. Now that we are moving along in more medical terms and providing different services to our patients in office, this is a great way to do that, instead of them going to the drugstore always for their drops and ophthalmic needs.
We'll be discussing the biophotonic scanner, which is actually a nutritional diagnostic testing tool that non-invasively measures carotenoid levels in the living tissue, which provides an immediate indication of a person's overall antioxidant levels or oxidative stress.
All right, so it's a quick test, it's portable, cost effective. 94% of Americans will fail to meet the minimum recommended levels. 94% failure rate. The good news is we've got over a 99% response rate to our products.
Prime Ophthalmic is a great service to repair any equipment. I myself, I buy a lot of equipment, whether it's used, whether it's new. You could purchase it from them. Also, they service a lot of the equipment that they service is for opters, BIOs. I don't know how many times I've dropped my battery pack and my BIO. And they calibrate your tonometer.
This is an online ordering portal that connects provider and patient. The whole goal of this is that so you can be found where people are shopping, which is online. When people are thinking about eyeglasses, they don't get in their car and drive to an optical shop. They go online and they type in eyeglasses. We do have a free directory. If you go to opticalnearme.com, you could create your listing and put information about your optical on there. And we'll help people who are searching for local eye care providers nationwide to find you. We're really investing in SEO. And I have several of my customers. I mean, most of our listings are getting 50 to 100 hits per month. So you will get free traffic just from the Optical Near Me directory.
Lina will be, you could find her on her Etsy shop. This is her information. She has really pretty earrings, bags, and accessories for women. Or you could also use this, to sell in your own practice. I think everyone. This was a lot of fun for me to put together, a lot of work, but I think that it's a great way to come together as a community of optometrists, support each other, connect through whether it's through another OD, another OMD, a pediatrician, PCP, connecting to other doctors, but also making sure that we come together to be able to get these great vendor discounts and be connected to the right vendors.